Hey beauties, welcome back to my page, Chambraii. So today I'm back with another DIY and I'll be showing you how to make this cute, trendy tube top. But before we continue, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest. So first for the things you'll need, if you watch my last tutorial, it's the exact same things that I used to make the plaid pants. So first to begin, what you're going to do is measure around your breast. That measurement you get is going to be your length, but you're going to divide that in two for the front piece. So my measurement was actually 34 inches, and because it is actually plaid, you do have straight lines, I just went ahead and marked it with a pin. For the height, because I am using scrap fabric, I did actually go off of what the height of the fabric that was left, but it did work out to be 13 inches, which you are going to go ahead and also divide that by 2. And as you can see, I pinned that area as well. Then you want to cut that in half. I didn't have the straightest from the scrap fabric, so I went and I placed it on top, making both rectangular shapes even. Okay, so now with one of the rectangular pieces, you're going to fold that in half, and next to the fold, you're going to mark 1/2 inch from the fold. You can use a marking utensil, I just used a pin for reference. Now from that marking, you are going to sew across. I went ahead and pinned it just to kind of show you where you want to sew. And you're going to do a zigzag stitch straight across. And as you can see, I'm showing you here, there is a little opening left. Now what you want to do is flip it right sides out. Okay, so with your next rectangular piece of fabric, you're going to bunch it, and through that little opening, you're going to run it through that small hole, making sure that the right sides are facing upwards. So you want to make sure that you pull through so that both sides of the shirt will actually be even. But as you can see, you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so now with the two loose fabrics, you are going to flip it right sides facing one another, and you're going to pin straight across, trying to sew as close to the hole as possible. Okay, now take that to your machine and you're going to do a zigzag stitch straight across. Okay, so the front is pretty much done. I went ahead and hemmed the top and the bottom of the bra. Oh yeah, so I just folded it over once and did a straight stitch straight across. The back, you want to measure from one end to the next of the top. Now you don't have to add anything extra just because the top is really stretchy. Now once you cut out the back portion, you want to hem the top and the bottom before attaching it to the front. Then you want to go ahead and place the front and back together, right sides facing one another, and just sew along the sides. So there you have it, a very cute and trendy plaid bandeau. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.